It's time to get back to our roots with an old steak favorite. Today, Howard shows us how to make his balsamic flank steak in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I'd like you to meet one of my favorites from the meat counter. You may have met before, but just in case you forgot, let me reintroduce you to the flank steak. What I love about a flank steak is how versatile and budget-friendly it is. And who doesn't like something that's flexible and that can save you a buck? So let me show you what to do with it. I start by combining some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, chopped fresh basil, a good amount of garlic, a tad of sugar, and a little salt and pepper in a plastic storage bag. We give that a good shake and set it aside while we score a flank steak by making diagonal cuts to both sides. You want them to be about 1/4 inch deep to prevent the steak from curling as it cooks and to ensure that it'll be super flavorful. After letting your steak marinate for an hour or so, it's ready for the grill or grill pan. When it's cooked just the way you like it, let it rest for a few minutes before cutting it across the grain. What you end up with is a juicy flavor-packed steak that's perfect served as is, or you can wrap it up in a tortilla, even use it as a salad topper. To get the recipe for our balsamic flank steak, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sensational way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
That's definitely one of my favorites. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.